Marina, come on! Ow, my foot! Oh, okay. Marina, come on! Just a second, let me rest on this rock. We've been walking for like 1 hour. Oh, I was resting and I go. Finally. I'm just gonna go ahead. Okay. Whoa. What is that? Marina? What do you want now? What's that? Oh my gosh, what is that? We gotta go there, quick! Ow. That hurts, you know. No one cares. Cool. It's all pink. It's all pinkety pink. I love the pink stuff. I could rest here forever. It's so soft and so nice and soft. I'm gonna go up there. Let me see what it is. Oh, what is that? Hi, I'm the pink bear. I own this mountain. You can go anywhere and find stuff. I don't care. I'm just resting. I don't really care. I'm gonna start climbing. I'm so tired. Huh? What's this? Whoa, look, Mariana, look what I found. It's keys. I wonder what it's for. I wonder what the keys are for. Huh. I wonder what it is for. Maybe it's for a cabinet. Maybe it's for a door. Or what about Big Sissy's jewelry box? I wonder what it's for. Thanks for watching.